Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Check VCSA version and available disk space, ensure SSO and DB credentials are accessible, and confirm the target repository is reachable. Next, access the Vcenter Appliance Management interface at 5480 or open the Windows Vcenter Backup utility. Once connected, choose the built-in backup option, pick protocol, FTP, SFTP, SMB, or SCP, and enter destination path and credentials. Make sure encryption and schedule settings match your retention. Once the destination is configured, choose full backup to capture configuration, inventory, and certificates. Partial backups miss critical state. Start the job immediately or schedule nightly. If encryption is required, enable it and provide passphrase. During transfer, watch throughput, available disk, and the appliance task log for errors. When completed, verify backup integrity by checking checksum or file size and confirm the timestamped folder exists on the target. Make sure to export the backup log and note the job ID for future audits. To finalize, confirm the backup is restorable. Ideally, perform a test restore to a lab VCSA to validate configuration and SSO. Then implement retention rotation and securely store encryption keys offsite. If something goes wrong, first check network connectivity and target share permissions, then confirm available disk space and correct credentials. Review appliance backup logs for specific errors and rerun the job after fixing issues. Finally, document the successful backup location and retention window so the team can rely on it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.